been a very long time that I am hiking uh, just like that. There you go, guys. It's very risky out there. I just saw a rattlesnake. I don't know why, but I can hear the sound. The snake is went into it inside, but I can still saw her tail moving and sounding. So, guys, that's the place where we are going to survive. Guys, I just saw a pack of fishes just hovering around at the top of. Let's build our tent because it is so blazing hot out there. That is a quite a challenge because I don't have a professional kind of a tarp tent, but I will manage it anyhow, and it will be a very nice camp to survive out there. There you go, guys. As you can see, that so much beautiful. Our friend is also available, birds and many more. Time to hunt something. I have a hook, and I can we can try fishing over there. Just like that, we have to uh, stick the earthworm into a hook nicely so it won't drop down when we cast. There you go. Now we will wait for the fish. It's been a very long time that I could not be able to catch a single fish. I just got I just got a fish, but that is a very small fish, uh, not a good size to eat. But yeah, we just started to hunt. Hopefully, we'll find some bigger one. Just saw, guys, carcass, tortoise carcass, but let's see. There is nothing inside of it. Around 1 hour is left, but I haven't catch any fish yet, and I don't have any source of food over there. So will I just change the location over here? Hopefully, we will find some fishes to complete our survival and to survive over there because I'm starving at the moment. So, guys, thankfully, we got a fish, quite a nice size and edible, but it is so dangerous. As you can see that it have a long kind of stings. There is another one, guys, the same kind and quite a similar kind of size. That will be a great, and as you can see that both are similar. Now time to collect some dead wood to start the fire. The sun is about to set, but I have to arrange. I have to cook my food before the sunset. That's a challenge. I just washed out my fish, and we will use the sticks, and we will roast it on the top of coils. There you go, guys. Fishes are absolutely ready. We will just stick it just like that. Guys, I can safely eat at 6 or 7. So much time left, around 10 minutes. Guys, fish is absolutely ready, and I can uh, guess that because its fragrance is so nice. The time is up, around more than 3 minutes is over. Now we can eat. We can start eating with sweet berries. That is so sweet and quite full of nutrients. That is a fish, guys. Let's taste it. Oh, guys, that is so tasty. Nothing on it, no salt, no oil, nothing. Absolutely raw, primitive. Guys, I hope you guys may like my effort by doing a 14 hours absolutely dry fast with zero splice. Please tell me through comments, and also tell me where from you are watching my videos, and do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.